This is Nalo Marty from Best RV in Trolla, California. We're inside the brand new 2025 Bighorn 392DS. As you see, Bighorn and 20th anniversary, they changed everything. They came way more luxurious than any before, and they add more amenities, more options, more quality. Now, 392DS, it has a lot of extra things. First thing, people they don't realize when they walk in, look how high the slide up. So I give you very open look, or very open and big look when you walk in. And again, for tall people, they don't have to hit their head like the other uh, brands. In return, what they give you a big panorama windows with electric shades, and you have big, huge windows even on the side, and you have also a big power awning on the slide out. So this unit has two two power awning, one power awning on the entry door and one power awning on the slide. In return, we have a beautiful table and four chairs. Nice thing about this table, there's no lid whatsoever. It's very open, and this table is expanded. And then you have a huge, big electric theater seating, and those are electric theater seating with the cup holders. They have the light, they have the massagers, and they open and close electric, or you just have to be plugged in, or you could do it also override manual. And they're really, I mean it, you guys, you need to come and try it. They're so comfy to sit on them, and just you could go to sleep. On the top of that, they're facing a beautiful window here, and this is electric shade. You could control it, and you could tell it's electric shade by the sensor right here. That's indicating to you it's electric shade. And then you have a window and a nice counter space, so when you cook you have a nice prepping area here. But also, and you're gonna say, now where's my TV? Well, guess what, your smart TV is on an electric motor, and you push that switch and you could see now my TV start coming out. It's a 65-inch TV and a smart TV. Beautiful. I could hide it by one switch, or I could raise it by one switch. It's an electric motor, and that TV, when you raise it up, it could give you more shade on the window, so it cover the window for you. Also, these cabinets you see in this Bighorn 20th century, they're rustic cabinet, so they showing the wood and the stress of the wood. They give you a bigger 60-inch, as you see here, 60-inch fireplace. And yes, this unit produce heat, and voila. So you can see how beautiful my big TV, 60-inch TV with a fireplace. Look how big the stove, four big burners. And yes, I could put a turkey here. And this is residential oven. And then you have also another 30-inch microwave. There's the closets here. All this big closets, more storage. And then when it's come to the kitchen island, this is high-end kitchen island. I want to show you how thickness the solid surface countertop and the sink. And then we have a really nice brass sink. This is a cold country sink with a high-rise faucet. And then you have the pop-up socket here for USB plug and 110. All these doors, electric latch. You have place here more for cooking pans. It is solid wood. This is not a paper, not a paper wrap. And then you have a nice big trash can. Now I like this one, extension to the countertop, so you could cook and give the stuff straight to the trash can, so make it easy. And look, you have big, huge fridge with an ice maker, two-door freezer, by the way, and two-door for the fridge. And you're gonna ask me now, where's my pantry? Well, guess what? You have a huge pantry here with 1, 2, 3, 4 shelf, and it has lights, as you see. Bedroom, you could put all kind of food right there. And then it come with a bar. I'm gonna say, now, come on, this is for family. Yes, but if you want to have a nice couple bottles, glass, you have this counter is solid, and the reason why, in case if you spill some alcohol or water, is not going to ruin anything. You could put your coffee maker, margarita mixers, toasters, whatever you like. There's a plug there, and then there's the doors here for kid napkins, and then yes, it come with the coffee maker. It come with a Greystone coffee maker. It's included with the unit, and you can sit it right there and make it as a coffee bar. You don't have to make an alcohol bar, but at least look like a nice bar closet. Coming over here, the beauty about this system, everything is touch screen. It's very modern. Here's the solar panel controller. It has also the Arctic package, and it has the fans in the kitchen. You can see I'm turning the fan here. And then I could open it and close the fan so to suck the smell when I'm cooking my breakfast. Also, this is you touch screen and it's open everything for you, and you could do the awning, slides, powers, also it's called One Connect, and also you can download it in your app. Bigger here. And then this unit, I love the king size bed. Is versatile bed. So this bed is in a switch. I could bring the bed down or I could bring the bed up. It's versatile, so you could sit and watch the nice smart TV over here. Sound service countertop in the bedroom with doors. And then over here you have, they come with the Freon combo washer dryers, already come with it. And then there's a light here, a place for chemicals. You can put your chemicals, soap, laundry basket, all of it right here. And then over here we have the closet. And again, I could stand on the closet, and it has also the Dyson vacuum, as you see. Voila, I'm back. And it has lock for traveling, so they don't move when you travel. As well, this one, you could lock it and they don't move. You're already attached. Coming down to the bathroom, look how big the sink. I love this light fixtures around the beds, and then you have the nice medicine cabinets with lights. Porcelain sink. This is not paper, plastic. This is solid. Even the toilet is porcelain. And then you have one piece from glass with 4 shower heads, and you can see how nice it is to sit here. And you have a closet for linens. And then this is the main bathroom. This is we call the master bedroom bathroom. Now, this unit has 2 bedrooms. I have 1 bedroom on this side on the front. I have a full bedroom down there with a full bathroom back there. And then I have a loft. So if I have more kids, I can bring it in, put my ladder, come with it by the way. I can go on the top, and then voila, I have my own AC. So this unit has a 3 ACs unit. And I have another queen bed here, sleep easy 2 adult. And there's a lot of closet there, and then they have the heat and the air conditions. And then voila, you have another bedroom here, and again this is another queen bed, 60 by 80, has the air conditioned vent with the barn doors, so this will give you more privacy. Nobody could see my bathroom. I have my own TV, my own closets, all this closets here, there. All the storage, and I have this unit, and I have another beautiful bathroom. Look how nice oval glass mirrors. Again, same sink, same countertop, same mirror, same toilet, and they give you a smaller shower here, but it's still it's good for the kids because you could give them a bathtub, and also if you're a tall person, no problem. You have plenty of room. Skylights. That's a perfect. I call this one as 3 bedroom apartments. Why? Because 1 bedroom at the front, 1 bedroom at the back, 2 bathroom, and again, there are 2 full bathroom, not just a sink, a toilet, and that's it. No. You have a full shower and a sink and a toilet. Now, ladies love this stuff. Why? I have a small kids, so I could sit here, put my kids, give them the bath. So it's perfect for the Little kids, they enjoy this one. You could fill it with water and they sit and play, and you could sit and play with them and give them a bath. Then also you have the door. You can walk away from this door and go outside. Now notice even the door outside, the doors in the back and the door in the front. It's a big deep doors. Gel coated. This is all paint. This is not a pavement. This is not decals. So it's actually lasts longer for you. It has the backup camera prep, the two floodlights. This is the 20th anniversary. I love the black with the brown and the gold. This is showing you the two power awning we have. And it's showing you also the big basement storage. It's a huge basement storage. I mean, you could see it's the whole docking stations you see in the front. And you could control the slide from here. You could put TV over here. You could store things here. And it's one big docking station in the back corners. You can see how roomy it is. And then coming over here, it's already prepped for 3 cameras. So you can see it's prepped for the side cameras, left and right. It has the cursed hillocks, which is the shock and the airbag in the front to make it smooth and ride for you. Beautiful. This is like the Tesla. They took this from the Tesla truck. Light in the front, so you could see it's one nice LED front. And then you can see the switch here from the Auto Lovely. And the storage is accessible from the both side as well in the front side, as you can see right here. And then you have a place here for your generators. If you decide to have built-in generator, we could install for you the 5500 LP on generators, and it's already set up for you, and we could do that for you here for you guys, but you don't have to. And then over here we'll show you the 2000 watt inverter. So the unit come with a 2000 watt inverter, come with a 200 watt solar, and it's showing you this is a hydraulic system, 6 legs, a hydraulic system, which is stronger than the electric system. And then this is the light switch for the front. So as you see, I just really admire the look of this unit. Look how beautiful this Bighorn, like the Bighorn, and then the nice squarey colors of 3A, the colors, the 20th anniversary, the gel coated, the paint, the black 3ACs, the solar panels there. This is a masterpiece unit. As well, you see here, this one also I forget to mention, it comes with endless hot water heater. That's a big deal, especially with a house with 3 bedroom. I call it 3 bedroom because you could use the loft and 2 full bedroom, one in the front and the back. So come to Best RV and grab the most luxurious 3 bedroom fifth wall, which is behind me, is the new 2025 Bighorn 392DS.